Yes, another video, another episode with me, Kuzimaziro, on Kuzimaziro podcast. I'm going to say it the way it happened in my life. I'm going to say it the way I observed it. I'm going to say it the way things unfolded or things unraveled. I'm going to say it without mincing words, without sugarcoating, without beating around the bush, but bring it home. Going straight to the point. This is what I'm doing right now and right here in this video. Something good happened in my life, 2025, right from 1 January 2025. I joined this other company that is based in Harare, Zimbabwe, and I had a privilege, I had a blessing to go around Zimbabwe and see Zimbabwean towns, Zimbabwean cities. I was so happy down to the core. I was so satisfied down to the core. I was so amazed down to the core. I was so impressed down to the core. I was so excited down to the core. My body, my spirit, my heart, everything within me was so happy, excited down to the core. So I had a blessing, big blessing, great privilege to move around Zimbabwe, travel around Zimbabwe, doing my work, doing my business operations in this company, business enterprise, business corporation, based at Karigamombe Center, Harare, Zimbabwe. Fortunately, some of these towns or some of these cities in Zimbabwe, it was my first time for my foot to step there or for me to land my foot or step my foot in those Zimbabwean towns, Zimbabwean cities. It was my first time. For example, I remember I went to Kadoma, I went to Kwekwe, I went to Bulawayo, I went to Chegutu, I went to Masvingo, I went to Marondera, I went to Shorogwe, I went to Gutu. It was my first time ever in my good life, in my beautiful life that Jehovah gave me. I was so happy, I was so excited, I was so impressed with what I was seeing. So the period from January to February, it was about 1 month and some days, 1 month and 1 week. And I traveled more than 12 or 13 Zimbabwean cities, Zimbabwean towns. 12 or 13 Zimbabwean cities, Zimbabwean towns in a space of 1 month and some days or 1 week. I'm like, what? It was a great blessing indeed. It was a great privilege indeed. Because the nature of business or the nature of work in that company is to move around city by city, town by town, selling products, selling goods to clients in every city, in every town. That is the nature of the business or nature of the work that I was doing at that time, at that particular point in time, city to city, town by town in Zimbabwe, moving around, traveling around like a Zimbabwe tour. And when I did my calculation, when I was counting, how many cities have I covered? How many towns have I seen or covered? The number went to 12 or 13. The number shoots to 12 or 13 Zimbabwean towns that I covered in that time span, time period, January to February, including going to Bulawayo for the first time, going to Chegutu, Kadoma, Kwekwe, going to Marondera, Masvingo, Gutu, Shurugwi, and this other town by the name Mashava, next to Masvingo, Mashava. I was also there doing business, talking to clients through the blessings of this company, through the blessings of this business enterprise based in Harare, Zimbabwe. I was happy, I was satisfied, I was impressed. So this is my experience also about my life in Zimbabwe since I came back home to this country, Zimbabwe, to this nation. Republic of Zimbabwe. Part of my life, some of the chronicles, some of the testaments in my life. I was so amazed, like, what? Covering 12 Zimbabwean cities or 13 Zimbabwean towns in a space of 1 month? I was very shocked, very surprised, like, what? It's the grace of Jehovah God. Grace of Jehovah God through this company, through this business enterprise. So this is what happened to me. If you care to know, if you love to know, this is what happened to me this year. One of the good things, one of the good blessings that I enjoyed. I saw Kadoma, I saw Chegutu, I saw Kwekwe, I saw Bulawayo, I saw Matopos, I saw Esgodini, I saw Nyamandlov, I saw Ngai, I saw Inyati. All these places under Matabeleland province. I was almost going to Plumtree, but something happened with my team members. Something happened with my group members that I was working with. But we almost went to Plumtree on the border next to Botswana, on the border next to Botswana, this country in Southern Africa by the name Botswana. So we almost went to Plumtree, but something happened and the plan failed dismally. But anyway, it's fine. Again, we almost went to Victoria Falls. Was when Bulawayo for a long time. So the next city is Victoria Falls. And we're planning to go with my team members to go to Victoria Falls to do work, to do business. But then the plan failed and we never went to Victoria Falls. So I think, yeah, I'm left with the Victoria Falls, I'm left with the Plumtree, I'm left with the Mutare. Yeah, and some other towns under Mashonaland Central Province. Then I'm done with Zimbabwe. But anyway, it's fine. I enjoyed my time. Whatever I went to, I enjoyed. I was happy. I was satisfied. I was so excited. I bless God, Jehovah, through the blessings of this company, through the blessings of this business enterprise. So this is part of my 2025 up to this time, May 2025. What happened? What transpired? In 1 month, 12 or 30 Zimbabwean towns that I went to, that I traveled to, that I experienced, that I saw practical and physical myself. I was happy. I was excited. I was enjoying my work. I was enjoying my business operation that I was doing in this company. Talking to clients, negotiating deals, negotiating with the clients, mastering business communication, mastering human communication. I was enjoying my time. So this is a video coming to you. If you care to know, what have you been up to in 2025? So this is what I've been up to right from 1 January 2025 until February. This is what happened to me in this company, in this enterprise, traveling around Zimbabwe. These are the parts of Zimbabwe. This is what happened. If you got any comments, write or type in the comment section. I'm done talking. I'm signing out. Sharp.